I'm reviewing Nutro's Natural Choice for small breeds. My sisters each have a Yorkie, and these small breed adult packages. This is roasted turkey and vegetable recipe. The Nutro is good dog food. My sisters both think it's good dog food. It's high quality dog food. But one thing that makes it nice is these packages are easy to use. Rip them open, throw the container on the ground, the dogs finish out, then throw it in the trash. So there's no mess, there's no cleanup. It's simple, easy, quick. So they're kind of the perfect size for those dogs. So it just makes it nice and easy. Instead of having to get a dog bowl and fill it up and okay, when are they done, when they're not done. This is quick and easy, and it's high quality. So I'd recommend the Nutro's Natural Choice. Natural Choice, a lot of people are going to all natural ingredients even for their pets, and this is just another one of those options. Recommend Nutro's Natural Choice individual serving dog foods.